Hey everyone, how's it going? And in today's video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Wuthering waves stuck at 65% loading, and I know this is very annoying. A few things you can do. The first one is search for view network connections and then click on open. Whichever one you're using, whether it be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, right click on that one, head over to properties and then double click on this Internet Protocol version 4, and then maybe your option is this one. You need to click on this one and then search 8.8.8.8. Type in and then type in 8.8.4.4 and then click on OK one more time, cancel it, see if this works, and if it doesn't, then just head over to your task manager, find Wuthering waves and then right click on that and then end task to end the game, and then try downloading again. And another possible fix is if you're saving the game to a hard disk drive, you might want to switch it to an SSD because SSDs are faster and that might work. But this is just a very common problem and you need to wait for a couple of minutes to see if it works. But if it's been hours and it doesn't work, then you can go ahead and try this solution. And yeah, this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.